Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. In this episode, we're checking out a Fisher & Paykel washing machine that has a door lock issue. So you turn it on, then you try to start a cycle, and all you get is that. Just clicking and clicking and says door open, door open, door open, door open. If you're getting that error that the door is open yet the door is closed and you're seeing everything is flashing like that, that means that the door lock is busted. You need to change the door lock because it's creating an electrical fault with the washing machine. So if your Fisher & Paykel washing machine is having a door open issue like that, you need to change the door lock. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn off the power, disconnect the power from the washing machine, and we're going to replace the door switch. So on this washer, what you need is a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to open the door. So on my washing machine, my door at the moment is not opening. So that is a problem. So let's see how we can get the door open. So at the bottom of the washing machine there, on most Fisher & Paykel washing machines, there is a latch there that you can pull to do an emergency open of the door. You pull it and then you open. I should say that for it to open, you have to have the power on because it's like a physical switch in the washing machine. All right, so I've got my power back on and I'm gonna turn on the washing machine and pull that and try to open the door. There you go, door's open. So if you look at the bottom there, there's this little tabby thingy. You pull on that, that will help you to open the door. Just zooming in there so you can see that little plastic tab, that white little round plastic tab. You pull it down, pull the door open. All right, so we're gonna replace the door switch on this washing machine. The door switch is this bit here. We're gonna replace that so the washing machine can function properly again. All right, now to access the door switch, just remember things first, turn off the power so you don't get the shockies, eh? Well, you don't want that. All right, so now that we've got our power off, unplug the whole thing just to make sure that you don't get shocked. Then with your Phillips head screwdriver, there is a screw here which is holding the seal in place. We need to remove that screw. So that screw is just a Phillips head screw. So you just go like so. There you go. Just remember where you put your screws so you don't lose them. And there is a ring, a metal ring holding the door. That metal, it holds the door seal in place. So it's pretty easy to remove. You just pull on this and out it comes. And there you go, bingo. Now that this is out of the way, we can access the door switch. So the door switch is this bit here, held in place by two Phillips head screws. Take them out. Beautiful. And is out. All right, so that's our culprit. Just remember to leave the manual puller in place, pull the harness. That's holding the door switch. So that's your door switch. That's what you need to change. You need to buy a new door switch and change that. So it varies with different models, but for this one, you can look it up on eBay using the model number on your washing machine. Your model number is just there on your door there on the sticker. There's a sticker there. That is the door model number. All right, so let's put our new door switch in, plug it in, and remember to put back the tab that pulls the emergency release. Otherwise, if you have an emergency, you won't be able to open the door. All right, here we go. All right, putting it back into place, simple as we did before. Put back the Phillips head screws. All right. There we go. Now we're going to put back the seal. So the seal needs, there's a lip that it goes over. Put it back nicely. Otherwise, you're going to get a leak when you finish fixing the washing machine. All right. Beautiful. There we go. Now remember to put back the ring that holds the seal. So that just comes together. Line it up nicely. You might need a second set of hands if you've got someone else to hold it for you. Crap. So there's a bit of a trick to putting this back in, but we'll get there. It won't be that hard. All right, so if you move in closer, you can see that it hooks on like that. So we need to, this is where your flat head screwdriver will come in as well, because it will help you to stretch it a bit, stretch this wire a bit, and then it fits into place. Okay, so one person would need to hold this corner like that, or you can use one hand, and then the other one, use your flathead screwdriver and try to just sort of pry it in like that. Beautiful. See? Easy peasy. All right, and then this attaches. Remember to put back the screw that holds that ring. Otherwise, it'll become undone, and then it will not seal properly. Beautiful. All right. Let's test him out, see how he goes. All right. That's about it. Easy peasy. All right. Now, when you got the power back on, should be easy done. All right, guys, that's about it. So if yours still has the same issue after you've replaced the door switch, the issue might lie in with the motherboard itself. It might have some faulty circuits, some faulty relays. So I'd go ahead and replace the motherboard. So the motherboard on these is this. It's behind this. Just replace that and it should be good to go. Otherwise, door switch problem, door open, replace the door switch, and that's it. If you have any issues or if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers.